Useless sissy. I just don't understand the minds of troublemakers.
I wonder what a stupid prat is.
You knew this was coming to you.
Are you asking me on a...
I wish I could see our rating.
See ya. I'm good at keg.
Eat that tonight? You got it.
Your fellow Woolworth Academy.
We hit hard out here. Don't stop. Move. This is great.
Team him a lesson. What man? Teach him a lesson. Bye.
Oh boy. Stop the hard spot. Tell Russell I love him. I needed those. You will not escape the long arm of the law.
Come on, help me out here, please!
I needed those.
Hope you brought a flashlight.
I got no tolerance.
Hey, you're supposed to be in class by now.
Ah, here we are again. Please get out your sketchbooks. You certainly captured my character, I think. Very talented.
I'm getting good at this. I'm good. That's all there is to it. Fight me, dude.
This is exactly what your kind deserves.
I like you, Jimmy, but I promise
Show it's time to be me.
Did you leave your head in the toilet?
Did you read War and Peace yet? Maybe.
Do you even
You need this?
Oh, hi!
T-Brain, you forced me to hear a disgrace to the Woolworth Press.
Come on now. I'm gonna bust your gut up and watch you bleed.
I'm all state beat down too, son. You look like an idiot.
Oh, Jimmy!
There's gotta be a career out there for me. You know you want. Hello, honey. What she calls me.
I'm gonna hurt you.
Come on, dude. Chill out.
Oh my god, I think I broke a nail or something.
All right, you feckless maggots. We'll be playing dodgeball for the next while. Ah, dodgeball. How I love the sound of boys crying in the morning. Much like real life, the strongest will prevail. All right, you lazy bums, look alive! Good! Hopkins, you're with the wimps. I want everyone to give their best, boys. Their best!
You know, I knew you were losing. My mom, you guys don't have a home.
Prepare to take the bitter fruit of law.
Chill out.
I can't wait to tell my mom we won.
Gotta find out who messed us up.
Everyone on this team is special. to be one of us, victorious.
You are going to show my man. We got the power of friendship. Real good, doesn't it? Damn, I'm good.
sweat. Why am I always looking at the cheerleader's shoes?
Hi there.
Should I just go to the gym?
That mouth of yours just bought yourself a world of hurt.
Prepare to get creamed, Wimp. Come on, Curly. Been waiting for
I
this.
wish I could do something wild and
Hey, didn't mean no harm, man.
I'm so glad I saw you today.
Hey, you. That'll teach you to respect your betters.
Just take it, that's all you can do.
For you, you skinny little puke.
You want me to shut your stupid mouth?
You know everything you own is mine.
I've got something here for you.
I'm gonna rip out your heart and feed it to you. Damon's the
What
truth.
is this nonsense? You'll be prosecuted to the max.
Dave?
I eat carbs with every meal. Now we're talking.
The speed of light?
Hi.
I normally
You're
get a
lucky
C
I'm
in
a
math,
busy
but
man.
anytime I want, I can get an A. I'm a nerd.
Bunch of thieving jerks!
What's up, Melvin?
Ah, greetings. Jimmy, listen. Some ruffians took it upon themselves to steal my Grottos and Gremlins character sheets and won't return them. We're playing tonight. The whole situation is untenable.
Grottos and Gremlins? Boy, you are sad.
Sad? I'm distraught! Role-playing is the high point of human achievement. In fact, upon reflection, I am prepared to offer a bag of groats to the fair knight, whomsoever recovers these precious screens. Do you accept the quest?
How much?
10 groats.
What?
I mean 10 bucks.
Wait here.
And you can have your pick of my wenches.
Great.
Can't you tell? I wear a size 26 waist now.
All right, you've got something of Melvin's. Give it up.
All right, I'll give it to you if you beat my friend in a little game. He kicks you in the nuts, then you kick him in the nuts until one of you gives up. If you win, you get the sheep. If not, we keep.
That's just stupid.
Maybe, but I go first.
That's some funny stuff right there.
win. I give up.
That's not trash.
I am furious. This is the funnest piece of paper I've ever had. Stop that. What? You forgot your bus eating boots or whatever. Hey, that's
This looks
cheating.
useful.
So, are you gonna get me something nice? Oh, come on!
There's no such thing as magic, dweeb.
You have to be so mean.
Get closer.
Oh no! I can't stand violence! Get that ogre! Slay him! That's what you get for messing with the wrong people!
Better collect
and don't
that.
you forget!
I'm telling.
You got problems,
And
bozo!
how does this stay right? Hi.
This guy fell on my head. Please help us, Jimmy.
If that's all you got, then this is gonna be a breeze!
Having fun.
You thicko!
Here, I brought you a drink. What is this?
Oh, so you gonna start fighting, punk? It's people like you that cause unrest!
Look at this.
Damn you! Check it out, fool!
Why are you picking on me?
Save it for someone who cares.
This school is for morons.
Granny's always talking about weird stuff. Is that important?
You recovered my precious documents. Thank you, sir. You are a noble man indeed. Just give me the money, Melvin. You have earned it! And don't forget about the wenches! Holy moly! All right! Who has time for real jobs? I just spent the last...
Job well done.
I don't understand why more people don't play are...
Hi there. Oops. It wouldn't be so bad if you just cleaned up a bit.
When I hit that kid
when I'm angry?
that was
Disappear, sit back.
I need a
Lame
French
oid.
girlfriend.
Haven't you heard the do unto others rule?
Let a real man show you the ropes.
I don't know what to say.
Hi, you're really...
Hi.
Whatever.
He was bored, bro.
Oh, Jimmy.
You're dead.
Just back off.
Don't hurt each other too much.
You won't pay for this.
This is so much more fun than this side.
See about this.
Got anything to say to
I can't believe anyone likes condiments. Say what you like.
Now you gonna
Hi
feel
there.
the wrath of my tiger.
How did Washington
You're
Carver
getting the
make so
Hopkins
many
treatment.
products from the peanuts?
Out of my way.
Why is my underwear all
Squishy?
squishy? Snot's not supposed
See you around, buddy.
You lose this? I'll teach you what it means. You can't mess with Russell's crew.
I'll break every bone in your scrawny little body, chump.
You can't mess with Russell's crew.
When I'm done with you, your jaw's gonna be wired shut, and you'll be eaten through a straw. You better run if I can.
How'd I lose?
Hey, Beatrice, what's wrong?
Two things. Firstly, my cold sores are totally acting up
What?
again.
Ew, gross.
Secondly, Mr. Hattrick saw me writing in my diary during class, and he took it and he locked it in his desk. And he says he's gonna give it to the principal tomorrow. If anyone sees what's in there, I will just die. It's really personal.
Yeah, well, nothing like having the whole school know your deepest secrets. Makes your teenage years go by in a flash.
Yeah, well, you'll soon find out.
Me? Why?
In the diary, I talk a lot about you and me.
What? There is no you and me.
Yeah, there is. See, first you rescued my notes from Mandy, and then we fell in love, and
Oh,
you brought me flowers, and wrote me poetry, and showed this kinder, sensitive side that soon the whole world is gonna know about. We're like doomed lovers.
Enough. Okay, I'll get your book back.
Then we can kiss. The cold sores aren't contagious once they start to scab over.
Get lost.
I wonder, could Shakespeare... I don't know what to say.
I think Dr. Watts is a real genius. That's why he's so hard to understand.
I can't believe it. Do you think that Johnny and Biff will fight each other?
Well, that's good.
You got business here? Rule breaking stuff's in room. You know that?
Something's very suspicious here. I'm halting your crime wave before it peaks. Phew.
What are you doing over there? Get over here at once. You just made a serious
You think you can roam wherever you please?
I swear I saw
Got
something.
some nerve.
They probably thought better of it when they saw me.
Hang on. Is there something moving back there? No troublemakers are going to run riot at both.
I always get my man.
you are. Did you get it?
Yes, I did. And I didn't read it. Much.
Much obliged. I hope it gets easier.
All right.
Yes, I was a student at it. Okay, bye. Oh, hi! I hope Dr. Crabble snitched.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
You ready to meet your maker?
Who set that alarm off?
This is how mad I am. I'm actually running a
Johnny! A fire!
Who set that alarm off?
I ought to thump you too! Fire alarm! No class!
Come on, show me what you got, stick boy.
If you keep doing
Wasn't me.
this, you're never going
Wasn't
to
me.
react if there's a real fire.
I could use a little something to nosh on.